Happy morning, all of you. I am Professor Anand Kumar Das. Today I am going to share with you all the difference between group discussion, group exercise, group task, and debate. As you know, maybe knowing very well, these four parts nowadays is the part of group discussion. It means group discussion may be in the form of group discussion, group exercise, group task, and debate. And it may be for any admission interview selection and job interview selection in India and abroad. As I have already discussed in my very first video, how to crack any interview in first attempt, must watch that video for more knowledge information exposure on how to crack any interview in first attempt. And this will be the second part of that, which will be related to group discussion part. Under playlist group discussion, group task, group exercise, you will get this video, okay, on my YouTube channel. So let's start with the differences between these four. Okay. After that, there are extempore, impromptu. Also, later on, I will tell you about that also. The very first point: indoor or outdoor. Whether the group discussion, group exercise, group task, or debate is an indoor activity or outdoor activity. So group discussion always indoor. Okay. It's always conducted inside the room. There may be circle shaped or rectangular shaped or anything else. I will tell you later on the structure and strength of GD. Under that part, I will tell you, I will explain. Group exercise, indoor activity, okay, but it must be in form of activity also. Activity means if you are performing anything individually or with the help of team, that is activity. Exercise means if you are solving, sitting on a particular place, that is exercise. And game means passing the ball to everyone, just like the football game or cricket game or hockey game or whatever it is. That is the difference between activity, exercise, and game. Okay, so group exercise also an indoor activity, but it terms of activity, exercise, and game. Group task always outdoor, it cannot be indoor. Okay, because complete activity, exercise, game in terms of complete physical exercise, you can say, that is where that is group task. And as I said in that my first video, group exercise, group discussion, group task combined together is conducted in SSB interview. Once after clearing the exam of NDA and CDS, when you will appear for SSB interview, definitely you will have to face all these three in group discussion also, group exercise, group task. But nowadays, any multinational company, Fortune 500 companies, also are all top 100 institutions. They are also conducting group discussion, group exercise, and group task in the maybe in the form of essay writing, maybe in the form of analytical writing assessment, case writing, comprehension writing, abstract writing, generating new ideas, out of box thinking, creative thinking, anything they can nowadays. They can conduct anything, okay? So, and debate is debate, very simple, as you all know very well. And debate is always indoor. Always remember, debate is always indoor. Nature of the group discussion is healthy discussion. Group discussion is all about discussion. It's not an argument like debate. It's always healthy discussion between the group. And group exercise, healthy exercise and discussion at the same time, both. Okay. Group task is also healthy discussion exercise, whether it's among group or team. And always remember, under group discussion, that is why it is called group discussion, not group team. Okay, it's always about group, not about team. And debate is always argumentative, debatable, maybe hot or cold depending upon the topic. Say for example, if topic is why Mr. Gandhi is always on currency notes, if you have knowledge, information, exposure on that, only then you can talk about, you can discuss also very hot. Otherwise it's very cold discussion, because those who know only they will be able to say. Outcome of these group discussion, consensus should come. Outcome means result. So consensus means everybody should come to the one point or agree for the particular point. Yes, this is the healthy discussion, and at the last, though the leader who had taken the initiative, they are supposed to conclude. But it's not called conclusion. That is consensus. Consensus should come. Everybody should agree for that particular topic. Under group exercise and group task, result should come. Result comes because scrutiny is very high, rejection is very high under group discussion, group exercise and group task. And under debate, conclusion comes. It's not consensus, conclusion. But I have not seen in my complete 25 plus years of career any conclusion is coming, because debate is so debatable and argumentative in nature. Nobody is able to give conclusion unless until forced by the interviewer. Very simple. Those who are conducting duty at that time of debate. Okay. Participant size in group discussion, almost in all the four, 10, 20, 10 member minimum, 20 member maximum. It might possible depending upon the group or rejection or number of candidates available for a particular group discussion. They may increase 20 to 30 also, but not more than 30. I have never seen anywhere anybody is conducting more than 30 students. But in SSB interview, definitely they go for 200, 300, 400 also under group exercise and group task bar. Duration for that particular all GD group exercise, group task debate is constant, that is 10 to 30 minutes, 10 to 30 minutes per group discussion per topic, and 10 to 30 minutes. Okay, it's common. Topic is also common for all. Spelt means social, political, economical, legal, technological. Nowadays they are going for ethical topic also, ecological topic also, and environmental topic also, plus these triple E. Always remember, nowadays other than spell, they are also conducting group discussion, group exercise, group task and debate on ethical topic, environmental topic, ecological topic also. For all the four, it's the same, spelled plus triple E. Spelled plus triple E. Always remember. Don't forget this. So you're supposed to prepare, and as I promised, I will be giving you all video on group discussion, all the topic, including impromptu, extempore, for interview, under the playlist interview, all types of interview, whosoever interview you will appearing in India and abroad, everything you will get in future. Don't worry about that. One by one, next step by step. And any material provided by that particular institution or organizations under GD not available, because you are supposed to take notebook, or you are supposed to not, or otherwise all students are very smart. They are not, they don't want any notebook also at the same time. For closed GD they may require, but nowadays they are not conducting closed GD, but they are always going for open GD. Okay, but under group exercise and group task, they will provide you paper, pen, pencil, chart paper, sketch pen, color pen, because group exercise, group task may be in the form of anything. They may give you to draw a picture also. They may give you to draw a sketch also. They may give you to draw a diagram also. That's why they are providing you paper, pencil, chart paper, sketch pen, color paper, anything under group exercise and group task. But under debate, there are no requirement of any such paper, pen, pencil or something, just like the group discussion part. So this is all about the very simple difference between group discussion, group exercise, group task, debate. Whosoever interview you will be appearing, whether it's an admission interview or a job interview in India and abroad, keep in mind these are the four major part whereby they will be conducting your group discussion, maybe in the form of all these four. They may include all the four also. They may exclude also. Only group discussion or debate, or otherwise all the four also. It might possible. Because nowadays environment of the MNCs, multinational company, Fortune 500, all top government organization, public sector undertaking. As you know, in India there are 242 public sector undertaking, starting with IOC, GAIL, BHEL, SAIL, IPCL, BPCL, like this 242, for which, say for example, if you are an engineer, you are supposed to pass GATE exam. If you are an MBA graduates, as a management trainee, you will have to appear for several separate exam conducted by them. The PSUs bank, there are almost 21 PSUs bank. Now they are going for merger. So there are nowadays, it's a very complex organizational structure, and organizational structure also, and institutional structure also. They may ask you anything, as I told in the very first video. They may go for all 8 hurdles. Watch that video mandatory, and they may go for any first aptitude, first hurdle, second technical domain knowledge, subject knowledge, third that is group discussion, and fourth PI. That is the common 4 recruitment process by any institutions, organizations earlier, 10 years back now, but now onward means 10 years onward, it's very complex. They may go for all 8 hurdles. It's up to them depending upon the organization structure, maybe big in size, maybe large in size, maybe very big in size, maybe very small in size. and year to year it may vary also. This is all about very simple difference. I think if you think my logic is correct, don't forget to subscribe. You will be getting, because you will be getting more than 500 videos on all those preparation related to all those 8 hurdles. So just subscribe my channel, forward this to all your family, friend, relative, whosoever preparing for all such exams for knowledge, information, exposure that is equivalent to learning. Thank you so much. May God bless you all. The happy beginning.